Oops. Ayan. Okay, so ito na ang ating screen. Kita po ba ang audio? Okay? Yan. Okay, so konting introduction lang po sa inyong presenter for today. Sa mga hindi po nakakakilala sa akin, kung may mga first-timers po, ako po si Maria Jeanette Sahonas, ang inyong presenter for today. Ako po ay taga Pangasinan and currently andito po ako ngayon sa Toronto, Canada. Yan, so taga Pangasinan po ako, kaya kung yung mga taga Pangasinan dito, kumusta kila dita nyamin, jakila bat, pag kayo nababala nga, anggad utit, dapat wadya kayo. Yan. And of course, my mom is an Ilocana, so medyo may lahi din tayong Ilocana, but yung aking lolo at lola, may lahi kaming Spanish doon sa mother side, doon sa father side naman, Chinese. Kaya hindi ko alam, confused na po ang aking lahi. Anyway, I built my career in Baguio City as a telephone operator. At the same time, customer service. Nagtrabaho po tayo sa isang telecommunication company, PLDT, na existing pa rin ngayon. And also, I ventured on broadcasting. I was a former anchor and promotions at Sky TV, Sky Cable Baguio. So we promote different companies, especially when it is related to technology. So I have my own channel. No, and I also ventured on managing hotels and appartels. And I am a single mom for like 20 years now. So syempre noon maliliit pa yung mga bata, no? So it is not enough na meron kang isang source of income. So this is not my first network. So alam na po natin ang ganitong industriya before, and I really love the concept. It is just that yung mga concept noon, they were too expensive, no? Yan. So, to cut it short, although kumita naman po tayo on that, but then being on that situation na single mom ka and apat yung anak mo, so like, and when you're in the Philippines, very scarce po ang employment. So, even if you have 2 or 3 sources of income, kinukulang pa rin. So, I ventured on going abroad, especially meron akong isang anak na nagkasakit, and alam niyo naman, napaka-poor ng healthcare dyan sa atin, yung ating health system, no? So, nung nagkasakit siya, talagang na-drain lahat, and to the extent that she passed away at the age of 10, no? Yan. So, sabi ko, hindi po pwede to. So, I was on that point na parang na-trauma ako, natakot ako na parang, what if may magkasakit uli? So parang gano'n, no, as a mom. So I really tried going out of the country. And yun nga, nandito ako ngayon sa Canada. And thanks God, dahil andito na rin yung dalawang anak ko, and then andyan pa rin sa Pilipinas yung isa. But then it's about time naman that I have to think of having a retirement income to prepare myself for retirement, and of course to have a solid residual income, no? Yan. That is why I ventured on top of being a self-employed sa healthcare industry pa rin, recreation. On the recreation side, I entertain seniors, no? So I'm doing Live Good part-time, yet with full-time attitude. And I am enjoying it because it really aligned with, what's going on with the economy, and it also aligned or resonate with me dahil po napakaganda ng company to. It would really help us, the everyday people, at dito tayo makakabawi. If you have experience in the past sa ganitong industriya, I could guarantee you na pag you only have to look at it up close and personal, you will see how good, how beautiful, how huge this company is. So we are starting, and I am about to dive in sa proper presentation proper natin. So eto na po siya. Welcome to Live Good, the company that is creating the great disruption and even shock this industry of network marketing, or you could term it as multi-level marketing. Bakit kaya siya disruption? Oy, dinisrupt niya ang ganitong industriya. Opo, dinisrupt po niya because, itong industriyang to, sorry, napabilis. Itong industriyang to has been here for like 100 years, no? Yan. So, bukod po doon, etong company na to, we call it the membership that pays. Bakit kaya membership that pays? So, malalaman nyo as we go along. Ayan. So for the first time in almost 100 years, no, this industry has just experienced a major disruption. Talagang Live Good, this company, Live Good, is not only creating a buzz, but it is creating a noise, no? It is a disruption. Nobody saw it this coming, and nobody saw that this would really shock this industry, no? Yan. And you know, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, no, sa yung word that disruption is actually a positive word when you connect it with innovation, because it means change, drastic change, powerful, intense, no? Yan. So bakit sinabi na for the first time in almost 100 years? Because multi-level marketing has been existent for like almost 100 years talaga. So nag-evolve lang siya sa model. Nag-uumpisa una sa selling of products, no? And then later on, nagkaroon ng stair steps, and then later on, nagkaroon ng binary. Tapos, nag-evolve siya ng nag-evolve, pero yung concept niya na you will earn from the sales mo and the sales of your team, yun ang pinaka-model concept niya. Nag-i-evolve lang yung itsura niya or yung pattern. But the concept, it's the same. Yan. So for the first time, dinisrupt yun ngayon ni Live Good. Paano na kaya dinisrupt, no? Yan. So, ang pinakamaganda din, no? Timing, yung pagkaka-create ng ganitong concept. And why does timing matter? Timing is everything. Diba? Why? Kasi ngayon, people's buying habits are shifting. And because 95% of people don't make money anymore in this kind of model. Dahil nga, nag-shift na ang buying habits ng tao. People are moving away from expensive products. People are moving away from expensive things. So, hindi na nagiging effective ngayon yung old model ng ganitong industriya. And people are already sick and tired of paying for expensive products every month. Dahil yung old model, ano ba usually yung old model ng traditional MLM? You usually have to purchase product every month, no? We have been mindset na kailangan bumili ka ng product every month. Kailangan may product movement for you to be able to have a commission and for you to be able, na sabi nila, dapat may product movement para nasusustain yung company. Yon. So, also, bakit timing matters? Because most people quit network marketing in this time, no? Ayan, in 2.8 months or 3 months. So tumataas yung attrition. Bakit tumataas yung attrition? Kasi hindi na nga na-afford yung monthly purchase requirement. Now, this is the thing. They don't also want you to know na on the old model, very slim, or there is no more network marketing success. And well, we have to admit, I'm very sure, no, this industry lets you down. Kaya nga yung mga iba, no, once na you approach them and you would be saying that you are into this network marketing industry, ano nangyayari? Nagiging allergic na sila, and they even think that you are scamming them, right? Scamming or scheming them. And probably, pwedeng hindi mo alam, you are not aware na the old model does not work anymore. Hindi na siya effective. And you would also think na this industry did not work for you. Yun nga, yung mga iba nag-join, maganda yung concept, pero bakit hindi ako kumita? So they don't, all of these things, they don't want you to know. But the real thing is, kung sakaling hindi kayo naging successful or any of the reasons na binanggit ko, do not worry, because it is not your fault. It is actually because of the model na hindi na naka-align, just like I said, sa nangyayari ngayon. So for those all of you na merong past experience at hindi naging successful sa industriyang ito, well, you just have to open your heart, open your mind, because you will be seeing a different way of introducing this kind of industry, no? And you have to see the big picture and live good, no? Dahil just like I said, kakaiba po ito. So welcome to the revolution. Bakit tinawag na revolution ang Live Good? Well, because it has created something. Ano kaya yung something? I will reveal it to you later. No? Ayan. Now, from the own words of our Director of Network Marketing, Noder Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products just so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are finally over. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? Wala tayong pag-uusapan na overpriced products, wala tayong pag-uusapan na price gouging dito. No? Ayan. So, what I would like to request from each of you is just forget about everything you've ever known about this industry. Kalimutan nyo munang lahat. Whatever you know, isantabi nyo po muna at pakinggan nyo po muna ako. No? Yan. And what if merong isang company, and actually, meron nga, no? Na wala tayong pag-uusapang autoship. What if merong isang company na pag nag-order ka, mag-order ka dahil gusto mo, kung kailan mo gusto, at dahil mag-order ka dahil kailangan mo. Mag-order ka, hindi dahil obligado kang mag-order. How is that? Diba? Exciting yan. Mag-order ka kung kailan mo gusto, kailan mo kailangan, hindi dahil pinag-order ka, dahil kung hindi ka nag-order, anong tawag dito? Kung hindi ka nag-order, mawawalan ka ng commission. O, diba? Yan. Okay, so join daw. Sabi ng ating Crown Diamond, mag-join siya. And eto pa, when halimbawang mag-order ka, hindi ka magbabayad ng $70. Kayo na ang mag-convert po niya na $70, $90, or $130 per item, per product. Dahil ang pag-uusapan natin dito, kung makikita niyo yung price, we will be talking about $9, $15, $18, $20, diba? Dahil nga wala tayong price gouging. And what if, no? Wala tayong pag-uusapan na, well, you have to place your order every month. Kailangan mong i-meet yung point mo, yung mga points mo kasi hindi mo mamimaintain yung position mo. And of course, ano pa? Kailangan nyo pong mag-umpisa ng package ganito. Wala tayong pag-uusapang ganyan. No changing of ranks, no? No SV, PV, BV, anumang V. Wala tayong pag-uusapan dyan. Ang pinakamaganda, no? It will not cost you a fortune to get started. So wala tayong pag-uusapan na packages, now yung may front loading of products, basta may nilagay na products. Walang ganon, na ang cost nun ay 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 to get started. Wala pong ganon dito ngayon, no? And ito pa, huwag ko kayo mag-alala dahil sa company na to, hindi ho mapupuno yung inyong pantry o kaya yung inyong kwarto o kaya yung bahay ng products na later on mag-e-expire. O, di ba? Yan. Ano po, sa dating company, $200 monthly. O, tignan nyo. Dito ma'am, wala po kayong pag-usap, wala po tayong i-discuss na ganyan. And pag naintindihan nyo po ang Live Good, no? Wala pong mag-quit dito. Again, pag naintindihan nyo, people will not quit in this company. Ngayon, sinabi ko po yun na conditional yon pag naintindihan nyo. Kaya pag nag-quit ka sa Live Good, ibig sabihin, you are missing the point. Okay? And again, what if everything was just easier? And yes, totoo po yan. It was made easier. It all made it possible, and it is possible now, right here, right now. No? So you are in the right place at the right time. Ang tanong ko lang po sa inyo na kayo ang sasagot at the end of the presentation is, will you be the right person sa Live Good? Diba? Dahil ngayon, lahat po ng binanggit ko, everything will be possible. It will be possible for you and for me. Ayan. So, introducing Live Good. Yan, pangalan pa lang, very positive na. Mabuhay ka ng tama, magandang buhay. Mabuhay ka and get out of debt. Sabi niya, good, no? Pag bibigyan niyo yan ng meaning, get out of debt. Pumawala ka sa pagkakautang mo. Alam niyo ba na ang kadalasan ngayon na nagkakakos ng stress is yung ating pagkakautang, hindi ba? Sa financial dahil lahat nga naging mahal. So with Live Good, there is a possibility that we could get out of debt. Yan. So Live Good is the first to market membership club in network marketing. Have you ever seen a company na ang model ay membership club? Only Live Good. Well, kung may naririnig kayo, ginagaya na po yun. Pero pilit ginagaya, pero hindi magaya. Because Live Good is the first company who introduced a subscription model, the company that decided to fix the broken network marketing model. And again, uulitin ko, Live Good is the membership that pays, no? I'm very sure familiar kayo sa work na membership. Others call it plan. Others call it monthly subscription. Ano pa? Others call it, ano pa? Actually, yung inyong city services, masasabi mong ano yan eh. Subscription or membership eh. Kasi monthly binabayaran mo yan, di ba? It's either naka-plan o kaya monthly bill na tinatawag, right? Yan. So hindi na ho bago actually yung ganitong model in the market. Only that ang maganda ngayon is naging intensify. So naging trending siya, yun ang nagiging pattern ngayon. And membership or subscription based companies are the future of commerce. Alam niyo ho ba yun? It is the fastest growing business ngayon in the marketplace, no? And yun ang inadapt na Live Good because, you know, the corporate are really trend watchers. Tinignan nila, ano ba ang magandang, ano ngayon? Ano ba ang trending ngayon? So, yun, nakita nila na, oh, membership. Okay, so let's try to adapt membership in our company. Yan. So ano ang advantage nun? Siyempre, alam naman natin na pag membership, I'm pretty sure meron po kayong mga membership clubs dyan, no? Yung mga nakasubscribe sa gym or nakasubscribe sa Netflix. Sa phone nyo alone, tignan nyo po, ano po yung mga subscription ninyo na andyan, dyan sa App Store nyo, no? Nakasubscribe sa ano-ano pang ibang companies na masasabi natin na meron tayong benefits, that's why we subscribe, meron tayong points, meron tayong special freebies, meron tayong exclusivities. Yun ang advantage ng pagkakaroon ng membership o kaya tayo nagpapamember. And the good news about membership club, and also, syempre, naka-infuse na nga dito sa Live Good, wala tayong monthly auto ships. Again, you could order what you want when you want at almost cost price. So, sinigurado natin na wholesale price ang ating mga produkto. Ayan. Ayan, si Ma'am Eden daw sa iCloud, nakasubscribe siya. And of course, no chasing ranks and volumes every month. Minention natin yan kanina. We don't start from zero every month dahil nga wala ng point value ang mga products natin. And no paying thousands to get started and no more people quitting. Ayan. Diba? So, I am so excited to present to you the disruptors or yung ating corporate team. Sabi nga, everything rise and fall on leadership. So kailangan kilalanin po natin ang ating mga founders and co-founders, starting with the brainchild of the company, Mr. Ben Glinsky, the CEO and the founder. So si Ben po, he is actually the primary reason why I joined dahil kilala ko po siya, of course, as a CEO nung dating company niya where I was a distributor. So nakita ko siya, how he managed, yung leadership niya, yung system na talagang everything is in place, systematic, sa payout wala din kami naging problema. Only that company was in that traditional old model. So it is that company din nung na-realize niya na nakita niya na yung when he ran the statistics, yung average distributors pala no na kumikita ng $3,000 to $5,000 is nasa 1% lang. Swerte na pag 2%. Meaning, very slim ang kumikita ng ganong amount, $3,000 to $5,000. Average po yun sa buong industriya. And then, 4% ang kumikita ng $300 to $500 a month. Okay? So, saan ngayon napunta yung 95% ng mga distributors sa ganitong industriya? Well, nakita niya na yung 95% ng distributors ay hindi kumikita or much worse, abonado pa. So, ang sabi niya, oh, this is hurting people. It is hurting people dahil nga very expensive na yung price. It is hurting a single mom na gusto lang namang kumita ng extra income, pero ang nangyayari, abonado siya. Nakukuha pa yung budget niya imbis na kumita. So, that is strike me. Actually, yun ang talagang, talagang makikita mo kaagad yung puso niya. So, ang nangyari, he walked away from that industry. Sabi niya, it is hurting people. But, ito hindi po niya clinose yung company. Nakipag-collaborate siya because he is a consultant ng iba't ibang network marketing companies. Nakipag-collaborate siya doon sa company who is still running the same model to make sure that that his distributors are well taken care of. Ngayon, anong message ko doon? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kung merong isang CEO na ganyan, that he is thinking still about the welfare of his distributors, then this person has a heart, hindi ba? Yan. So, he got me there. Yan. And then, kahit na he walked away from this industry, nag-uusap pa rin sila ni Noder Kazan dahil business partner sila. So, pinag-uusapan talaga nila yung concept about affordability and quality. So, sabi niya, when can we come up with this model? Until pinag-usapan nila yan, and then after 6 years, ayun, kinonsweptalize nila, kaya nagkaroon ng LiveGood. Yan. So by the way, Noder Kazan is the Director of Network Marketing and the co-founder. And pag pinagsama mo, yung years of experience nila ni Ben Glinsky, total niyan 50 years. So anong ibig sabihin na? Siyempre, experiential. Ibig sabihin nun, alam na nila kung anong sakit ng ganitong industriya, alam na nila kung ano ang problema ng mga network marketers. So, lahat yon inayos nila. Yan. And of course, collaborating with ang ating formulators and of course si Lisa, no? Lisa and Dr. Ryan Goodkin, the power couple. Si Lisa is ang ating director for product education, meaning when it comes to healthy diet, healthy lifestyle, good eating habits, kung ano yung dapat na ilagay mo sa katawan mo, she is the go-to person, and she has a background of science and in nutrition. And of course, Dr. Ryan Goodkin, ang ating formulator. So she formulate the product, he formulate the products, and ang sabi niya, I formulate products for my family to use, not to sell. So ibig sabihin, he is more of, syempre pag ganun ang sinabi niyang rason, malalaman mo na he formulated with passion, hindi para pagkakitaan, just to have it commercialized, no? Yan. So ibig sabihin nun, yung collaboration ng apat na to, yung kanilang passion, nag-a-align sa bawat isa. Kaya ang ganda ng synergy nila. So they have passion and these two people have mission. So they blend it together, then we have LiveGood. Yan. And by the way, si Dr. Ryan, isa siyang a pharmacist at the same time, may unique background din siya as a natural health practitioner. So napakaganda dahil nababalanse niya yung pagiging natural health practitioner niya and of course as a pharmacist. Yan. So we could be rest assured that we are in good hands. No hiding in the bushes, very transparent, very hands-on, and in fact, sila pa ang nagpo-promote ng ating mga products. So you would discover that they would be hands-on. Once that you are here in LiveGood, andito po sila very hands-on. Yan. So the reason why I'm taking the time for discussing the corporate team, for you to get to know the team, the corporate team, at para alam nyo din na talagang we are in a solid ground and we have a very powerful leadership. Yan. And of course, LiveGood was launched in December 2022 sa Jupiter, Florida. And currently we have more than 1 million members. And did you know, no, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, that LiveGood is the fastest growing network marketing ever in the history of this multi-level marketing. So wala pang nakagawa niyan na in a matter of 13 months, no? Nagkaroon tayo ng 1 million members. Not even Amazon, yung kung saan natin pinattern ang ganitong concept, made it on its first year. Nagawa niya in 2 years, I think, or more para magka 1 million sila. But with Live Good, we did it in 13 months, no? Ayan. So the good news is, if you are a Live Good member, you save big with our membership model, no? Uulitin ko, Live Good is the membership that pays. So, ayan, ito yung mga companies na run by subscription, no? O kaya they are subscription-based companies, no? I'm sure you are familiar with them. YouTube, nagsusubscribe tayo every month para makapag-download, makapag-edit, makapag-live, or maybe ang daming features ng YouTube Pro, right? So very flexible ang subscription niya, $11.99 or $120 per year. Amazon Prime, marami ding benefits yan. Makakapag-download ka ng movies, mabilis yung shipping and all that once you become an Amazon Prime member. So very flexible din ang membership. Netflix, disruptor of the cinema. Dinisrupt niya ang cinema. So ang Netflix, just subscribe $9.99 or depende sa plan mo. Makakapanood ka ng mga movies na na-miss mo noon kahit na old movies pa yan. So variety of movies ang ini-offer ni Netflix. So at the comfort of your home, pag nag-subscribe ka, you could just watch it, no? Yan, Sam's Club, Costco. I am a member of Costco for 9 years. Ano ang benefit ng pagiging member ko sa Costco? Huge discounts, no? Ayan, Disney Channel, pareho lang po ng Netflix. Only that ang pinapakitang movies dyan ay produced by Disney Productions, no? Ayan. So, kung makikita niyo po yung mga numbers dyan, no? We are talking about million members here. Pansinin niyo po on the right side, anong mga figures dyan? 30 million, 200 million, 232 million, 47 million, 123 million, 42 million members. So, ibig sabihin niya na talagang ang membership ay talagang in na in, and it will not be a passing trend. It will be, gaya po ng sabi ko, it will be the future of commerce, no? Ayan, so ilan tayo? We are only 1.2 million members. So baby pa ang company natin. Anong ibig sabihin yan, no? So we have a huge market, no? We're just starting. We are on its pioneering stage. Kaya talagang, naku po, very fresh pa yung market natin to share it with everyone. Yan. Okay, so kung sabi ko po kanina, yung pattern natin, no? Pinattern natin kay Amazon. I'm sure kilala niyo po si Amazon. The company who started with books sa kanyang sariling backyard with $250,000 na puhunan. Now with Live Good, saan tayo nag-umpisa? If Amazon started with books, Live Good started with wellness products. Why wellness products? Number one, because of pandemic, no? Nung pandemic, huminto ang mundo natin. 'Di ba? Yan, so we started with wellness products dahil the world is so sick. Dahil very low na ang lifespan natin. Patuloy na bumababa. If you notice, there are people who pass away at the age of 49, 50, 60. So why? Because we are not conscious anymore with what we eat. That is why we came up with wellness products. And of course, for us, para ma-enlighten tayo and para we have to invest on our health. We have to prioritize our health before even thinking about earning, no? Lalo na po sa inyo dyan. I'm pretty sure marami hong OFW dito sa call na to. Kailangan nyo hong palakasin ang katawan ninyo. Lalo na kung kayo ay breadwinner. And kahit hindi kayo OFW, we really have to love ourselves, love yourself to health dahil pinakapuhunan po natin yan. Nung bata po tayo, we try to use our health to gain wealth, hindi ba? Ngayon, hindi naman tayo bumabatang paurong no? We are not getting any younger. Ngayon, ayaw naman natin na yung wealth, no, na naipon natin ay yun naman ang gagamitin natin to regain our health. Kaya ngayon pa lang, even if you think you are healthy, no, it is important pa rin sa atin ang magkaroon ng supplements. And the good news is our supplements is made with the highest quality, purest, most natural ingredients, and it is manufactured saan? Sa world-class facilities and most pristine locations. Ibig sabihin, pristine is spotless, flawless, and made in the USA, certified by the GMP and USDA approved. Pagdating sa ganyan ng mga certificates, rest assured na nag-comply tayo sa safety regulations kasi very strict po talaga ang US. And our products are lab tested for purity and potency. Ang pinakamaganda po dyan, no? We have a 90-day empty money back guarantee, meaning pag hindi mo nagustuhan yung products natin, no? No questions asked, hindi ko nagustuhan, walang epekto sa akin, you could just return the empty bottle, i-refund ng company sa inyo. How is that? And the good news is we have this certificate of analysis. Ito talaga yung edge natin, yung pambato natin talaga, yung certificate of analysis na yan. And I want you to realize kung ano yung significance ng certificate of analysis. Yung document na yan reassures you na yung nakalagay dyan lahat to reassure the end user na nami-meet yung specific need niya. Na nilalagay dyan na wala tayong proprietary blend. Kasi yung proprietary blend, yun yung sinasabi ng mga ibang company, or even you could check some of your products, no? May nakalagay with proprietary blend. Hindi nila nilalagay yung specific amount ng ingredient. No? Meron pang ang isa na binanggit si Dr. Ryan, yung bottle nakalagay yung strawberry, pero nung chinek sa company, wala namang strawberry yung product. So, tayo wala kung ano yung what you see is what you get. No? Again, wala tayong proprietary blend. Hindi natatakot yung company na nakalagay lahat dyan. Paano pag ma-duplicate? Paano pag ma-reformulate? That's okay, sabi ni Ben, because that's our mission to let everyone have an access of affordable products. Pero bakit hindi nila pwedeng ma-reformulate nila, pwedeng ma-duplicate nila, pero ang hindi nila kayang gawin is to give the masses yung affordability ng mga products. At yun ang bentahe talaga natin. That's why hindi tayo natatakot na kahit nakalagay dyan yung mga ingredients and its amount, that's okay. Dahil we know that they cannot beat our prices. O, di ba? Napakaganda. Isn't that exciting na nandiyan ka sa ganyang company, no? Yan. And of course, our products that launched in 2023, hindi tayo magpa-product demo, pero magme-mention lang tayo ng mga nuggets o kaya mga nitty-gritty ng mga products natin. Starting with the CBD pain relief cream for chronic pain. Maganda yan. The main ingredient is cannabidiol from the cannabis family. Yes, cannabis. Ano yan? Ano yung cannabis species na yan? Parang narinig ko yan na parang marijuana yata yan. Yeah, marijuana is being used for medical purposes. But we didn't use marijuana. We use hemp plant dahil mababa ang kanyang THC content. And at the same time, hindi po siya addictive, unlike marijuana. Yan. And we also have energy patches, energy and focus patches. So I am wearing one right now. So this is good for if you feel na lethargic ka, kagigising mo lang ng umaga, gaya niyan, kakagising nyo, nafe-feel nyo ba pagod kayo? Well, you need these patches because after 30 minutes, mararamdaman mo talaga yung energy mo, no? Yan. And if you need focus, kung yung nature of the job, kailangan ng focus, then this one is good for you, no? Natural blend din yan, no? Yan, ilalagay mo lang siya dito or any part ng katawan mo na konti ang buhok, no? Yan. And we also have sleep patches para naman sa mga hindi nakakatulog. Yan. So you could be assured na once you have these patches, you will get a restful, a good night's sleep. Ayan. And of course, one of my favorite collagen. Sino dito ang may gusto ng collagen, no? Alam nyo ba na collagen is the most abundant protein sa katawan natin. But as we age, nadideplete na po yung ating collagen. Naku, gustong-gusto daw ni Ma'am Eden. Ma'am, bumili ka na ba niyan? No? Sinabi mo sa akin, bibili ka niyan. Now, it is the most abundant protein in the body, pero as we age, no, nagdi-deplete yung collagen natin. Ano ang cause pag depleted ka sa collagen? Nagkakaroon ka ng sagging skin, nagkakaroon ka ng crow's feet, nagkakaroon ka ng 11 dito sa noo mo, no? 'Di ba? Akala mo nakakunot noo ka pero meron dito, and then ang nangyayari naging brittle yung kuko, no? Yung nails. So madali siyang maputol, and then nagkakaroon ka ng hair fall, and then yung joints mo, ligaments mo, yung muscles mo, parang feeling mo laging masakit. Ang bata-bata, gumanon na ako, masakit, o kaya biglang may tumunog, nagka-crack. So, yun yung mga signs na depleted ka sa collagen. Now, the good news about our collagen, no, is that bukod sa, anong tawag nito? In demand siya. I'm pretty sure maraming collagen in the market, lalo na sa Pilipinas. May collagen na may glutathione, may collagen coffee, collagen lotion, collagen soap. Now, this is one thing that you have to find out sa magandang collagen. It should only be 2 types. Bakit? Kasi pag more than 2 yan, naliles na yung effectivity niya, yung efficacy niya. So, dapat 2 types. Now, ang types ng collagen natin is type 1 and type 3. Actually, we have 28 or 29 kinds of collagen, no? But we use type 1 and type 3 at nanggaling siya sa bovine collagen. Ano yung bovine collagen? Nanggaling sa beef. Bakit yun ang ginamit? It is the most potent, at the same time, yun ang pinakamalapit sa human collagen natin. Kaya, yun ang ginamit. Okay? And hydrolyzed collagen. Bakit hydrolyzed? Para madaling i-absorb ng katawan natin. Ayan, I am using everyday po. Hinahalo ko sa organic coffee. Yan, oh, di ba? Di daw halatang 50 na ako. Oh, that's good. Actually, yung ating collagen, very effective po talaga. If you will see yung mga sharings niyan, meron yung isa talagang kulubot na kulubot yung legs niya, and then yung before and after. And makikita nyo shiny yung skin ninyo, parang meron siyang glossy effect, no? Yan. So, hindi mo na kailangan ng foundation. Yan. So, tayo wala po tayong foundation, no? 'Di ba? Yan. And of course, sa hair naman, malilesen yung hair fall mo, especially po kung nagka-COVID kayo. Ako talagang 2 beses pa akong na-COVID noong 2018. Alam nyo po, naglalagas talaga yung buhok ko, and etong collagen na 'to, naku, very powerful talaga siya. Ngayon may mga baby hairs na po ako. So, maganda 'to sa hair, sa nails, sa joints, ayan. Ano pa, sa face, basta sa skin. Yan. So, holistic ang approach ng mga products natin, no? So, from head to foot, outside and inside, internal and external. Ayan, ayan, nakatatlo na daw si ma'am. Okay, so meron tayong, nako po, isa po ito sa favorite ko din talaga. Ito pong methylene blue neurotrophic dissolving strips. Maganda po ito sa cognitive function. Alam nyo ba na pabata na rin ang pabata ang nagkakaroon ng dementia? And dementia can be so scary. Yung nagiging malilimutin ka. And hindi lang yun, ang worst niyan, pag progressive yan, talagang kahit family mo, hindi mo na ma-recognize. Ganun nakakatakot. And behaviors mo, mag-iiba when you have dementia. So, alagaan din natin ang ating brain. This is good for brain health. Nilalagay lang po yan under the tongue, or kaya lang mag-blue siya because of the methylene. Ang technique dyan na isa is i-dissolve nyo sa water, and then gumamit kayo ng straw, isip po ninyo. No? Every other day ang pag-take niyan. Maganda din as energy booster. Maganda din for anti-cancer, to prevent cancer. Maganda din po siya, malaria, anti-malaria, maganda yan. So, I also take every other day, pero sa umaga nyo dapat tinitake yan, wag sa gabi. Kasi after taking that, you need to be under the sunlight. No? Yan, para mas maganda yung effect po sa inyo. And energy booster. And we also have creatine and HMB. So maganda ito for muscle recovery. Pwede sa babae, pwede sa lalaki, no? Yan. And of course, we have our essential oils. Maganda po ito. It triggers our hormones. Alam mo, marami tayong hormones, no? So the hormones are actually the messengers of our body. Pag emotional ka, if it's time for parang feeling mo happy ka, something that would make you happy is your happy hormone, your endorphins, di ba? Ayan. So, ito, tinitrigger din niya yung hormone natin to lighten our mood, to relieve us from anxiety, sa migraine. Ang maganda sa ating essential oils is we could use it aromatically. Gumamit ka ng diffuser. Ngayon, andito ko habang nag-speak ako, meron akong diffuser dito sa tabi ko. So, naaamoy ko yung scent ng ating lemon. Yan. So, maganda siya, no? So, ibig sabihin nun, iba yung nakikreate niyang mood, no? And aromatical, pwede ding topical, pwede mo siyang i-apply, but you have to use a carrier oil dahil concentrated po siya. And you could do it, aromatical, oral, pwede din, no? Pag halimbawang i-dilute mo lang sa tubig and you could have it very minimal lang. Pwede mo siyang i-take, no? Ayan. So, ang daming function, ang daming benefits ng essential oil. And the good news about our essential oils is very handy siya and of course, affordable. Ayan. Of course, a lot of products are coming. Household products, vitamins for children, detox product, and of course, our weight loss product na kala-launch lang, di ba? Yan. So, basically, we are launching a lot of products, but take note how we are not a wellness, hindi tayo wellness company, no? We are a membership club company. So, we will be the next Amazon. We will be the Amazon of network marketing company. Tandaan niyo po yan hindi po tayo wellness company. Okay? Inuna lang talaga natin yung ating mga health products para maging healthy tayo. That is very important to prioritize our health. Now, ito na. Ang ating newest product na kala-launch lang na sinurprise tayo ni Ben last Friday is the Lean or Lean 8. Others call it Lean 8. Our, anong tawag nito? BCIF, no? So, Body Composition Improved Formula. Kung nakinig kayo last Monday, ang sabi ni Liza and Dr. Ryan is, ang goal natin is not losing weight or not weight loss, pero it is more of the body composition. So we need to know what is going on inside the body and para i-improve yung ating body composition. So, anong tawag nito? Ini-increase yung metabolism and then nililesen yung fats sa katawan natin. So, it is building more of, anong tawag nito? Muscle, lean muscle. Diba? Ayan, napakaganda. Yes, Ma'am Michelle, it eliminates fats. Totoo yan, diba? So, yung mga maraming fats dyan, well, we need this one. So, actually, this is a game changer dahil, alam nyo, nung nilaunch yung product, remember the company that I mentioned, yung dating company ni Ben, weight loss company yon. So, yung product na binenta nun, actually, yung three main ingredients lang talagang very powerful yon. Ang daming bumili, we sold 1 million bottles. Now, and that is $69 per bottle. Pero tignan nyo to, yung tatlong yon nilagay dito, yung very powerful ingredient na yon nilagay dito, and then dinagdagan pa ng enzymes at saka yung isang secret ng mga Brazilian secret na tinatawag ni Dr. Ryan. So kung powerful yon, mas powerful to. And the good news is yung price, 19.95 for 180 capsules. Diba? Huge. Life-changing. Oh, naku, Diyos ko, pag Eto, kaya ilabas na ang listahan ng mga nangangailangan dyan. And of course, it is our opportunity to launch our Balik Alindog program. O, di ba? Ayan. O, saya ba kayo? Balik Alindog program tayo, mapababae, mapalalaki, no? Later on, we will be coming up with the program. Ipapakita niyo yung inyong before and after picture. O, di ba? Gusto nyo ba yon? Gusto nyo ba yon? Ayan. And the good news about our product, no? Ang dami nating certificates. Tignan nyo naman yung certificates niyan. And tignan nyo ha, yung comparison ng price sa iba. Wow! 75%, 66%. Ayan. Need mo pampataba, ma'am. I need, ganon. Yan. Well, actually, ito, uulitin ko po ha, hindi po siya nakafocus sa weight loss. Yung body composition natin. If yung need mo is you need more muscle, then ito. Ang maganda sa atin is that holistic nga yung approach, no? So pag sinabi mong holistic, again, from from head to toe. Yan, walang specific or walang tina-target na organ. Yun ang maganda dyan. Okay? And ito, chocolate whey isolate, yan, whey protein isolate with colostrum. Alam nyo ba yung colostrum, no? Alam, pag sa baba, yung gatas ng ina, no, the first milk, yun yung very powerful kasi antibacterial and then gut friendly, yan. So, ito ang meron dito. So, may colostrum siya na nanggaling pa rin sa bovine, sa beef, and then gut friendly siya, madaling i-digest, no? Yung ating whey protein isolate. Yan, with colostrum. Okay? Pwede nating isama yan sa i-combo nyo po yan sa organic coffee. Parang meron kayong cappuccino. Yan, kasi chocolate flavor siya. O, na-excite ba kayo sa mga products natin? Sige nga kung na-excite kayo, no? So, our products are really of high quality, yet the good news is affordable price. So, yan. Okay, so ganito, if you want to order the products, you could order actually as a consumer or member. And consumers pay retail low prices. So ang retail price natin is affordable, mababa, hindi cheap, affordable and low, no? And member pay even lower prices, di ba? Ayan, exciting. Gusto nyo bang makita? Do you want a proof na talagang itong sinasabi sa mga statement na ito ay totoo? Yeah. Oh, Balik Alindog program ka din ha, Coach Tibbs. Yan. So, ang sabi, if you are a Live Good member, you will save up to 75% pag kinumpare mo yung products natin sa other network marketing companies. Meaning, eto, tignan nyo ha. Pag kinumpare mo siya sa iba, you save 75%. So ano ibig sabihin nun? When you save 75%, syempre, $1 save is $1 earned. Parang kinita mo na rin yun kasi yung nasisave mo, magagamit mo sa iba. Mayu-utilize mo sa ibang pangangailangan mo. Right? So to prove that, no, ito, price compare tayo. Yung ating essential oils, 6 bottles for $49.95. No? I-compare natin sa competitor, 209 and 252. A savings of magkano? 76%. Grabe, di ba? Super greens. The best greens in the planet. Kompleto yan. Ashwagandha, moringa, aloe vera. So kung hindi kayo mahilig magkakain ng gulay, this is the best that you could have. $18 compared sa competitors, 70 and 100, di ba? That's huge, amazing. Collagen, $28 sa kabila, 70, $80. Grabe, wala na akong masabi, grabe talaga, no? Very potent. Yan, and then yung ating creatine plus HMB, $20 versus 65 and $49. I challenge you. Kayo na mismo ang tumingin sa Google. Maghanap po kayo ng mga ng ganito. Pero check nyo ha, the same quality ha. Baka makahanap po kayo ng mura, mas mababa, pero tignan nyo po yung quality. Tayo, yung ating product is we make sure that it is clean. Walang pesticide, walang herbicides, walang molds. And we could guarantee that because we have the certificate of analysis. Okay? Yan. Ngayon, tignan nyo naman ang comparison pag member and retail price. No? Member price, yung ating multivitamin, $9.95 versus $15. A difference of magkano? $5. Bakit magkaiba uli ang vitamin ng male and female? Because iba ang physiological need. Ang babae, kailangan niya ng iron to compensate the monthly loss, yung menstrual loss natin. And sa lalaki, kailangan ng selenium for their prostate health. Okay? Yan, kaya magkaiba po yan. So, difference, $5. Coffee, itong ating healthy organic weight management coffee with mushroom. Ang mushroom po is the king of herbs. Okay? So, hindi po, ang effect ng mushroom coffee, organic coffee, hindi nangangasim yung sikmura mo dahil hindi coffee beans ang ginamit. The reason why yung mga iba ayaw mag-coffee because of, anong tawag nito, may effect ang coffee beans na nagiging and much worse, no? Sinabi ni Ryan, Dr. Ryan and Lisa, yung mga ibang coffee dyan, na coffee beans, no, pag pinaprocess, nasasama yung, di ba, nalalagay ng herbicide, pesticide. Ang worst, yung ibang coffee beans, pag pinaprocess, merong molds. So, nasasama sa processing yung mold. Tapos, iniinom natin. Ano ang effect? Yung gut natin, ang na-hurt. So, nagkakaroon ng problema sa ating gut. So, pag nagka-problema yan, ang daming mga sakit sa internal organs natin. No? Yan. And of course, we have Ultra Magnesium Complex. This product is responsible for 300 chemical reactions in the body. Meaning, pag kulang ka sa magnesium, most likely it would lead you to serious illnesses like diabetes, heart problem, anxiety, migraine, high blood pressure, lahat, halos lahat. Kaya, kailangan po natin ng Ultra Magnesium Complex. If there is one that I highly endorse, ito pong Ultra Magnesium Complex. And you try to check the price, it's only $8.95 members price. Retail, $15. I-try nyo pong maghanap ng magnesium. I bet talagang mahal siya. Even, ilan sinabi? Nasa $40, sabi ni Ben. Yung mga iba 60. CBD oil for pets, na i-stress din ng ating mga pets. No? So, members price 14 versus 20. And yung D3K2, the sunlight vitamin, actually maganda to pag kinumbine mo siya sa magnesium plus yung ating multivitamin, no? So meron yung essential pack, yung tatlong yan roughly nasa 20 plus lang. Now yung D3K2, maganda po to lalo na pag kayo ay nagkaroon ng COVID, maganda to for the immune system and for weight management, no? Yan. So with only how much? $8.50 and $14. Yan. So makikita niyo yung price for each product, roughly ang savings mo nasa $5 to $8 per product. So pag bibili ka, alangan naman pong isa. I would highly suggest na bumili na po kayo nitong International Wellness Pack. Bakit? The member price is only $89.95. Pag retail price, $129.95. Ang savings mo, pag member ka, how much? $40. Kompleto na siya. 6 powerful products yan. You have multivitamins, super greens, nabanggit na natin, super reds, good for the heart. Dahil ang ating, as we age din, kinukulang na tayo sa nitric oxide. And napakaganda niyan. And fast acting. Alam nyo ba na last month, tumaas ang BP ko, roughly 170 to 180. Wala akong nararamdaman na. I just happened to check dahil gusto ko lang. Now, nung nakita kong ganun ang blood pressure ko, I took the Super Reds. 1 week talagang, kung dati once a day lang, ginawa ko siyang 2 times a day. After 1 week, back to normal ang aking blood pressure. So very powerful po yan. And the factor 4, anti-inflammatory, ano natin yan, anti-inflammation supplement. So merong 4 powerful anti-inflammatory ingredients na nilagay sa product na yan. The first ever product in the market, 4 ang nilagay na ingredients, yung anti-inflammatory ingredients. Kasi yan, kung bibilin mo pala, dapat isa-isa, isa ba? Isang fish oil, isang product yan. Tapos turmeric, iba uli. Tapos yung CoQ10, iba uli, no? And then, ito, sinama yung 4, kinompak siya. And very powerful for anti-inflammation. Alam natin na ang root cause ng lahat ng sakit is inflammation. Hindi natin nakikita yan. So, napakaganda ng ating factor 4. So, rest assured that when you have the International Wellness Pack, bawing-bawi kayo. $40 savings. Tignan nyo po yan. Ngayon, syempre, I'm so sure you are so curious paano maging member. You only need to register with your sponsor links, the person who invited you dito sa Zoom, or maybe nagpatikim po sa inyo ng product. You only need to pay 9.95, or ang conversion niyan, sabihin na natin 590, or i-round off na natin 600 pesos, no? For you to have that discount. Remember, magkano ang, ano yan, tignan mo ha, 9.95 per month for you to avail of the discounts. Huge discount, no? $10. No? Ayan. So, magkano nga uli yung discount po ninyo doon sa International Wellness Pack? Pag member ka, yung savings mo 40, yung savings mo $40. Magkano? O i-compute nyo po yung 40. Sa 50 na lang, 2,000. Ngayon, pag member ka, 995 lang, 500. Bawi ka pa rin. Right? So, at least ito pwede sa monthly, very flexible, or pwede din annually. Ang maganda, pag binayaran nyo na yung yearly membership ninyo, libre po yung 2 months ninyo. So might as well pay the annual para po malibre yung 2 months ninyo. But if you still don't have the budget, it's okay po to have the monthly. Okay. So your benefit, syempre, you will buy the products at wholesale price or members price. Solve na po ba tayo sa ating products, no? Again, napaka-importante po to invest on your health, love yourself to health, prioritize your health, because health is not a passing trend. Health is a commitment to yourself. Mahirap po ang magkasakit dahil pag nagkasakit ka, damay lahat sa family. Affected sila not only financially but emotionally. Hindi ho ba? Agree ho ba kayo doon na pag may nagkasakit sa pamilya, madamay ang lahat? At hindi lang sa financial, nagkakaroon ng struggle, but also sa emotional. Yung nag-aalaga, yung stress, lalo na pag anak mo ang nagkasakit, I would trade everything. Maging healthy lang ako. That's an honest, that came from my heart. Isasang-alang-alang ko lahat, maging healthy lang ako. Kasi ang pera pwedeng kitain, pero pag nagkasakit ka, kaya, nako, we have to age gracefully, di ba? Mas maganda yung habang nagmamature ka, habang tumatanda ka, wala kang maintenance. So, this is what is all about. So, sasagutin ko na ngayon yon. Kanina, ang sabi ko po, welcome to the revolution. What created Live Good a revolution? It is value. So value is what created Live Good a revolution. Now, the good news is, hindi po tayo magtatapos sa parting yan dahil meron po tayong second part of the presentation, which is the affiliate program ng Live Good. No? So bukod doon sa discount, bukod sa pagkakaroon ng membership or discounts or yung membership club natin, may ini-attach pang affiliate program. No? Yan. So, ano yung affiliate program na yan? So, meron kang opportunity to earn $2,000 or more per month. Sino ho dito ang gusto ng negosyo? Sino ho dito ang gustong kumita ng $2,000 or more per month, no? Sige nga. Ayan, type me, sabi ni Ma'am Eden. Ayan, okay. Maraming salamat po sa mga sumagot at sa mga sasagot. Ayan, ang daming capsules. Sabi pala ni Ma'am Jessa dun sa, oo ma'am, 180 capsules. And alam niyo po ang sabi, umpisahan nyo yun ng paunti-unti hanggang sa ma-adapt ng katawan ninyo. I think pag dinivide mo yon for 1 month, parang 6 capsules a month. So, mabilis tayong ano no, no? Di ba? Yan. Anyway, going back, so for those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. So, I want everyone to be attentive, to be in the learning mode para po maintindihan niya dahil ang pag-uusapan na natin dito is negosyo, is business. And it is not only a small-time business. It is a global international business. Okay? Ayan. So, umpisahan na po natin. Ayan. To be able for you to become or to participate in the affiliate program, you have to be an affiliate member. Syempre, you just need to enroll one time $40 one-time affiliate fee plus 9.95. Okay, so 9.95 plus 40, a total of 49.95. Or pwede second option, pwede kang maging affiliate member. You could pay the whole year, 139.95 ang breakdown niyan. 40 plus 99.95 yung 1-year subscription, and then free yung 2 months mo. So it's up to you kung ano yung gusto nyong option, 49.95 or 139.95, and then you become a member, an affiliate member of Live Good. Pasok ka na sa affiliate program. Okay. Now, ano ang benefits ng pagiging affiliate member? Number 1, syempre yung discount. Number 2, you have digital marketing products. So we don't have physical products dahil nga digital na tayo but we have digital marketing products. So you will be created your personalized website. May sarili ka pong website once you become an affiliate of Live Good. So yung website mo na yan, hindi isa. Ang website mo, hindi 2, kundi 3. Personalized websites. So, corporate site, andun yung retail price. Makikita yung comparison ng retail and members price. No? Number 2, you have your retail website or your drop shipping website. Ano yun, Janet? Are you familiar with Lazada? Are you familiar with Shopee? Are you familiar with Amazon? Diba, merong website yun kung saan doon ka bibili ng product. Ngayon, yung retailing website mo is parang yun yung Amazon website mo, yung parang kagaya ng Shopee website, shopping site. Wherein, personalized yan. So, shoplivegood.com, and then kung ano yung nilagay mong pangalan, no? Eden Ardales, Steve Hennes, Jessa Ocbenia. So, very personalized yan. So, ano yung purpose niyan? Kung meron kang mga friends, no, na mag-i-enroll, meron kang mga friends na gustong bumili ng products, you could just send your site, your Live Good site, your retail site. Okay, gusto mo ng coffee? O mare, tignan mo to, i-click mo lang tong aking retail website, add to cart, bumili ka na dyan. Social, di ba? Yun ang retail site. Third website mo, yung maganda yung sinabi ni Coach Ferds, yung franchising site mo or your Live Good, yung Live Good site mo, no? Yan. So, ito yung site mo, yung franchising site mo, kung saan you could invite yung mga taong gusto ding mag-venture sa business ng Live Good, no? Who also wanted to share the business. So, very personalized din yan. Anong website yan? Yun naman yung livegoodtour.com/Michelle Bautista. Yan. Okay? So, ganun siya. Very personalized. What's more, may bonus pa na 2 product na meron kang website. Halimbawa, gusto mong i-market yung Super Greens. Meron din yan, supergreens, ayan, livegood.com, yung supergreens, and then yung pangalan mo. How is that, diba? And then yung isa, yung super reds. So eventually, lahat ng product, nakakonect yung website mo. And the good news is, no, $40 lang ang binayaran mo. Alam niyo ba kung magkano mag-create ng website? It would cost you $50,000 to $100,000. But you only pay $40. Bawi? Bawing-bawi. Hindi ba? Bawi? Bawing-bawi. Ayan. And of course, you could participate in the compensation plan. Very powerful. Very flexible din ang pagbigay ng commission dahil we could pay via direct deposit sa inyong bank. Pwede ding iPayout. Pwede din kung meron kayong crypto wallet. Pwede din kung ilagay nyo sa back office ninyo. Naku, Janet, pag nakalagay sa back office, mawi-withdraw ko pa ba yan? Of course, mawi-withdraw nyo po. Naka-design yan. Very flexible. You only have to get in touch with the sponsor. Sabi nyo, gusto ko pong i-encash yan. Naku po, napakadali lang po yan. So, we have a system, no? Kaya wala ho kayong dapat ipag-alala dahil si Ben is an IT guy. No? Yan. And of course, yung programmer niya, kasama na niya yan for like half a decade, mga 25 years nakasama na niya yan. Okay? Yan. So, ito na ngayon, mag-uumpisa na tayo. Siyempre, lahat po tayo, di ba? May pangarap. So, if you have a dream, of course, you have to build a team. So, teamwork tayo dito, ha? So, no man is an island. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-succeed alone. You need a team, no? Yan. So, if you have a dream, you have to build a team. Ang compensation plan structure natin will be powered by a powerful unilevel and a force matrix. So, dalawang genealogy natin dito, unilevel and a force matrix. So, yung unilevel, that would determine your weekly and then yung ranks, no? And then yung matrix natin would determine yung matrix income mo. So, expound natin yan later on. We don't depend on unilevel alone kasi ang unilevel, sponsor ka ng sponsor, ang tendency, you don't get to help your team. So, nagkakaroon ng attrition, high attrition, low retention. So, ano ibig sabihin pag mataas ang attrition? Siyempre, after 2 to 8 months, bibitaw yung mga yan. Yun nga yung traditional, di ba? Kaya nga, tinanggal na natin yan. So, hybrid po tayo. That is why we have unilevel and 2x15 matrix kung saan ang matrix natin is powered by 2, no? Yan, so 2 levels and then 2 levels wide, 15 levels deep. So, spots are filled from top to bottom, left to right on a first come, first serve basis. Okay? Yan. So, 8 ways to earn tayo. But we will be discussing on the 3 important buckets, which is the weekly fast start, the retail commission, the weekly fast start, the matching bonuses, and the matrix commission. So, yun yung pinaka-importanting buckets natin. Yung remaining, retail, influencer bonuses, customer acquisition, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. Dadaanin po natin yan. Mabilis lang po yan, no? Yan. So let's start with the quick money or the fast start bonus. The fast start bonus, one time yan na $25 bonus from all new directs that join you and paid $49.95. So each person na pinag-share mo ng business at gusto ka din gayahin, gusto din magkanegosyo ng worldwide, no? Global. Remember, our business is global. Our business is in 230 countries. So every person na gustong magnegosyo din global, no? At nagbayad ng $49.95, you will have a direct commission of $25. Equivalent yan 1,400. No? So 50% nung $49.95. Saan ka nakakita ng 50% ng entry ibibigay sa iyo as direct commission sa $49.95? Diba? Yan. So Janet, ibig sabihin ba niyan, kailangan yung 4 na yan ang tatapusin ko for the week? No. But if you could, yes. So you could do it in your own pace, no? So like ngayon, nagtitesting ka. na-share mo lang sa dalawang tao, then you get $50. Binibigay yan every week. So, ang cut-off natin tomorrow, so hanggang 12 midnight US, no? So, lahat ng pinasok nyo last Friday up till today, tomorrow, cut-off yan, no? Yan, lahat ng pinasok nyo doon, may $25 ka, next week matatanggap mo na siya. So, it's up to you kung gaano nyo kabilis tapusin po yan, no? Yan, wala pong nire-require na kailangan 10, kailangan 20. No, it's all up to you. Pero syempre, the faster, the better. The faster, syempre, mas malaki yung fast start bonus natin. And the good news about fast start bonuses is, anong tawag nito? 10 levels deep. May mga ranking din tayo dito. So, the higher you go, now open yung level 2 mo for another overriding commission. So bukod doon sa $25 mo, pag napopromote ka pala, now open yung level 2 mo. So example, yung unang rank is bronze. Alam nyo ba kung gaano kadali mag-bronze? You only need to share this with 2 people. Bronze ka na. Now, ano ang benefit pag bronze ka na? Syempre, yung dalawang bronze mo, mag-share din yan, right? Gusto din nilang maging bronze. Gusto din nilang daanan yung rank na yan. So, sila may $25 dahil sila ang nag-refer directly. At ikaw po na indirect sponsor, may additional ka pang $5 doon sa second level. So, as you rank up, na-open yung iyong yung level, tumataas yung opportunity mo to earn overriding commission na dadagdag doon sa direct fast start bonuses mo. So naka-base yan sa rank that will determine how many levels you can earn each week. So infinite wide, you could sponsor as many as you want. Yan. Number 2, retirement money or the matrix commission. Why called retirement money? Because this part of the compensation plan will develop over time. Actually, ito yung weakest part of the compensation plan. Bakit weakest part? Iklinip ang matrix for those people who cannot even sponsor. But this will develop over time. No? Depende yan kung paano ang takbo ng matrix mo. Now, paano nagkakaroon ng matrix commission? Ikaw po ito, lahat ng affiliate merong sariling matrix. So, lahat ng papasok sa matrix mo, whether direct or indirect, meron kang 25 cents. So, direct meaning ikaw yung nag-refer. Indirect, yung ni-refer ng enroller tree mo. So, it could be your direct enroller tree or indirect. And they are called spillovers. So, spillovers are affiliates na pumapasok sa matrix mo na nanggagaling sa enroller tree mo, whether direct or indirect. So, spillovers are bonuses. I want you to understand that spillovers are bonuses. So, wag ho kayong mag-depend sa mahuhulog sa matrix mo na nanggagaling sa enroller tree kasi hit and miss yan. Kailan? Pwedeng mabilis, pwedeng mabagal. Ngayon, kung gusto mo nang mabilis dahil nagninegosyo ka, syempre, gawin natin yung the fast way. No? So, this part of the compensation plan is the slow way to build a business. Kasi dito sa Live Good, you could build your business slow or fast. So, this is the way to build the business slow. And I don't promote this. I would rather promote the fast way to earn. Now, the good news about the retirement money, no? Power of 2 tayo, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and so on and so forth, no? So, ganyan po yan. So, pag na-fill up na yung first level mo, the next person that you're going to sponsor, pagdating sa matrix, will fall under the person who is already there. Okay? So, yung third person na dinirect mo, pag tinignan mo yung matrix tree mo, papasok na siya doon sa andun na. So, if this is your wife and your son, so yung pangatlo mo is your friend, papasok na siya under your wife sa matrix. So, ibig sabihin, sa matrix commission, your wife will benefit 25 cents and you will also benefit. So, naging spillover na siya sa wife mo. No? Yan. So, bonus na yan. No, does it happen every time? Again, depende po sa takbo ng matrix. And ito yung potential income ng matrix. 2047, depende sa rank ha. Ayan, 4,095, 8,191.50, and 16,300.50. Ilang tao yan? Ito pag napuno po yung matrix like for example, o sige, mag-sample tayo. Wala pa po kayong rank dahil kapapasok nyo. O kaya wala kayong balak mag-sponsor. Hanggang level 12 lang po kayo with 4,096 people. Okay, kailan, Janet, malalagyan yung 4,096 people again? Depende sa takbo ng matrix mo. Yan. Okay, so ganito po yan. Level 1 to 12, pag wala kang rank, 2,047. Pag bronze and silver ka, 4,095.50. Gold and platinum, 8,190. And of course, diamond, 16,000. Again, read the fine prints. These are the earnings with full matrix. Pag puno yung matrix mo, yung 2, may tao ng 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Yan po yung condition dyan in full matrix. So do not expect na after 3 months, meron po kayong 2,047. Dahil again, it will develop over time. While it is true that you will get your first matrix income on the 3rd month, hindi po ibig sabihin na 3rd month meron ka ng 2,047. No? Ang ibig po sabihin ninyan, no, yung 2,047 na yan, ma-earn mo pag puno yung matrix. 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, that's okay because that will be your retirement money. It will be developed over time. Now, para hindi ka mainip, ito ang dapat mong pag-focusan, the wealthy money or the matching bonuses. Wala tayong left and right. We are not talking about left and right. Wala tayong flash out na pinag-uusapan dito because our matching bonus is different. It is a monthly bonus of 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Remember, meron kayong matrix. Meron ding sariling matrix yung mga partners nyo o yung mga affiliates na ni-refer nyo directly, right? Okay, so ang sinasabi sa matching bonus, 50% ng matrix income ng mga taong directly sponsored by you, ma-matchan ni company. Okay? So, to illustrate that, kayo po yan. 4 yung in-sponsoran nyo directly or we could call them your personals. So, sila may sariling matrix din. Okay, sample tayo, illustration. Number 1, meron siyang $1,000 matrix income. So, si Direct 1, 1,000 ang kanyang matrix income. Ang sinasabi sa matching bonus, 50% ng matrix income ni Direct mo, tatapatan namin. Ibibigay namin sa'yo. Okay, hindi babawasan yung $1,000 ni Direct at tatapatan. Kaya nga tinawag na matching bonus. Okay, so ilan ang 50% ng 1,500? Pangalawang Direct mo, ang kanyang matrix income, 500. Ilan ang sayo? Bibigyan ka ni Live Good ng 50% ng kanyang ng kanyang matrix, tatapatan niya 250. Third, $100, tatapatan niya yung 50%, ibibigay niya sa'yo. Fourth, 200, tatapatan niya yung 50%, 100. So any amount, walang capping yan. Ibig sabihin, Janet, paano pag $50 $5 lang. Kailangan ba magantay akong gawing 100? No. Kahit po $1 yan. Halimbawa, yung iyong direct is 2 lang ang nakuha niya for the month. $1 yung matrix income niya. Sa'yo pa rin ang 50 cents. Paano pag isa lang, 25 cents? Hahatiin pa rin ni Live Good yan. Walang capping. Ganun kaganda. Mapalaki, mapaliit. Ang condition dyan, 50% ng matching matrix income ng direct mo, ma-match ni company, ibibigay sa'yo. Kaya masarap mag-direct dahil every time na nagdi-direct ka, it would open your gateway for the matching bonus. So, infinite wide, unlimited. O, di ba? Kaganda? Do you like it? Nagustuhan nyo ba ang ating matching bonus? Pero, hindi pa nagtatapos dyan. Ayan. Ano po yung hindi pa nagtatapos dyan? Bakit? Dahil dito sa matching bonus, meron tayong matching generational bonus. Anong ibig sabihin ng matching generational bonus na yan? Alam nyo ba na once na naging silver ka, meron kang generational bonus. So, buong angka niyan, di ba? Kayo po yung sa taas. And then, yung na-sponsoran nyo, yun po yung first generation nyo pagdating sa matching bonus. Huwag kayong ma-confuse doon sa level, ha? Magkaiba yung level sa generation. Matrix level is to matrix income. Generation is to matching bonuses. So once you become a silver, bukod doon sa 50% na matching bonus mo, may additional ka pang 10%. Once you become a silver, generational doon sa lahat ng silver rank mo. Pag gold, meron kang additional 5% sa first generation, second generation. And then pag platinum, additional 5%. Pag diamond, additional 3%. So, pag diamond ka, you get 50% matching, direct matching, and then silver, binabayaran ka ng 10% sa silver, buong generation, no? Hanggang 5th generation po yan, and then gold, additional 5%, platinum 5, and diamond. So, ganun siya kalaki. So, dito po kayo mag-focus, ha? You focus on the matching bonuses. The good news is pag dito ka nakafocus, mas mabilis napupuno yung matrix mo. Kaysa doon ka mag-focus sa matrix mo, naghihintay ka lang. Mas nakakainip pong maghintay, lalo na pag wala kang hinihintay. So focus on this part of the compensation plan because this is where life-changing happens. Life-changing opportunity happens. So ganito lang ang illustration niyan. Ang matrix income will help you pay your bills, but the matching and generational matching bonuses will change your life. Walang hype. Walang hype. Totoo po yan. No? Kaya focus on this part of the compensation plan. Okay? Ayos po ba yon? Ayos? Okay, no? Ayan, andyan pa ho ba kayo? Ayan. Okay, so, next. Ano pa? Yan, sa retail commission, mabilis na po yan, no? Difference lang ng retail price at saka members price. Ayos, ma'am. Okay, sige. So, ang retail commission, yun yung retail site nyo, yung shoplivgood.com. And then, pag halimbawang may bumili sa yung retail site, then yung 50% ng difference ng member at retail at member, paghahatian nyo ni LiveGood. So example, yung coffee, $28 yon minus 18, no? So may bumili yung friend mo. So i-minus mo lang yun. 28 minus 18, yung difference, $10. Maghahati kayo. $5 po yung sa inyo, $5 yung sa kay LiveGood. Ganun lang siya, no? 10 levels dip pa rin. Ayan, depende po uli sa ating rank. And then influencer bonuses, ito naman, pag halimbawang promote mo sa social media account mo, then merong additional hanggang 100% depende sa retail sales mo per month. From 2,500, 10%, plus yung 50, kaya 60, up till $50,000, additional 50%, a total of 100%. Okay? So customer acquisition bonuses, sa mga first order natin, meron po kayong additional 10%. Sasabay po yan sa inyong fast start commission. So pansinin niyo po ang back office, nakalagay dyan yung mga nag-order for the first time. Sa initial purchase lang po ito, no? Because we don't make profit sa ating mga direct downlines. Yun ang binago, no? Hindi natin tinutubuan yung mga downlines natin. But very generous si LiveGood. On the first purchase nila, dinagdag po yan, no? Ayan, para lumaki yung ating fast start. Okay, and it follows the fast start commission and retail commission up to 10 levels dip uli. Depende po uli sa rank po natin. Okay, piece of the pie money. We all want to be a diamond. Once you become a diamond, you become a profit sharer of the company. 2% ng total sales. kukunin yan, and then i-divide among diamonds. So dito sa illustration, pag pag may total sales, ang company ng 15 million, kunin mo yung 2% niyan, that makes 300,000. So kung may 60 diamonds, so dito sa illustration, i-divide po yung 300,000. So each diamond will have $5,000. Huge! Grabe! On top of the fast start, matrix commission, matching commission, generational bonuses, and other bonuses. And of course, rich and famous money or the Crown Diamond Bonus Pool, 0.5% naman of the total sales from all membership and product sales, dinidivide sa Crown Diamond. So, dalawa lang po yung Crown Diamond natin. We have Tim Miller, the first Crown Diamond worldwide, and of course, our very own Coach Fernando Santiago, no? Yan, the first Crown Diamond in the Philippines and the second worldwide sa Live God. Okay, so dito, illustration, $15 million. Yung total sales, kunin lang yung 0.5%, that makes 75,000. I-divide ng dalawang Crown Diamond. So each Crown Diamond, merong $37.5 thousand. Wow. Diba? Yan. Congratulations, Coach Fernand. Yan. So, there are top 5 reasons to join. I'm almost done. We just officially launched. So if you think na saturated yung market natin, no, we are just a baby company. And nagwa-warm up pa lang po tayo, no? Yan. So we are looking forward for a 3 to 5 million this year, and next year 10 million or more. Yan ang projected income natin. So we only have 1.2 million. So it is time to get serious doing Live Good today. No, it is the best time to get serious with it dahil ang daming ginagawa ang Live Good. Nasa second wave na tayo, pati ang company nagpo-promote na ng Live Good. So get everyone, inform everyone, share it to everyone ang Live Good opportunity, no? Because this is global. Number 2, we have high quality and very affordable products. Yung products natin, keyword, lowest price, highest quality products. Ulitin ko, lowest price, high quality products. Okay? Yeah, number 3, marketing system tools and training. Nabanggit ko naman po, meron kayong sariling back office, personalized, you have your website, andyan na lahat. You just have to learn. Take a free tour doon sa inyong back office. Aralin nyo lahat ng tiles nyo dyan. From home, to your order history, to your membership, how to rank up, the pay plan, certificate of analysis, yung products, learn more, price, andyan na. Magpa-plug in na lang po kayo. And of course, training. We have free trainings, leverage on the training. Kung hindi nyo alam i-explain yung business, leverage po sa aming mga speakers. This is our service to you because we all want everyone to be successful sa negosyong ito. You could just attend the training from Monday to Saturday dito sa ating DMW Zoom training, plus meron tayong corporate Zoom, of course, hands-on ang ating corporate team with Ben Nother, Lisa, and Dr. Ryan Goodkin. And of course, our international leaders, meron din tayong Saturday training. So, lahat andyan na, ikaw na lang ang kulang. Hindi po ba? Yan. Number 4, a simple, powerful, and lucrative plan. Pinasimple na lahat. Walang complication, walang flash out, walang left and right, no? Walang, lahat na eh. Walang auto ship, walang monthly purchase requirement, wala. Very simple. Pinaghiwala yung product sa compensation plan. Kaya wala po tayong purchase requirement every month. Huwag niyo hong sabihin na, walang product movement. Ibig sabihin po, hindi po. Pinaghiwalay lang yung plan, yung compensation plan doon sa product. Kaya po ganon ang concept. So, again, iwanan nyo na po yung alam nyo sa dating network marketing dahil kakaiba po ang ating compensation plan. And take note, on the first year, Live Good has paid out $50 million. Okay? So, ang laki niyan. And we have, of course, the fifth reason why we have to join Live Good, because we have a successful, fun, and winning team. We have our international team and leaders and uplines. And dyan ang ating upline, si Sir Jesse, yung upline, direct upline ni Coach Fernan. We have Nodder and other leaders na nagko-collaborate po just to share Live Good. And of course, yung ating winning team dito sa Philippines, the DMW family. Yan. So, baka andyan po kayo dyan sa picture na yan, no? Yan. So, we try to empower each other dito sa training, sa mga FB Live natin, no? Yan. So, tapos na po yan, yung ating Vegas event. It was very successful. So, now it is time. Are you an A, B, or C? Actually, I don't need to ask B or C. So, A na lang po tayo, hindi ho ba? You should be an A for you to be able to maximize the business of Live God. And of course, ito po yung summary ng ating diniscuss ngayon. You could just take a screenshot for your reference para sa mga bago at hindi pa alam explain. You could use this slide, just yung pattern ninyo, how to share Live Good. Who is Live Good, subscription-based, anong products natin, ano ang concept natin, saan ginaya or saan ipinattern, why membership, and then iyan yung mga iba who are successful doing this membership model. Yan, so saan galing yung company, may ranks, ilang ways to earn, and of course your benefit as a member. So once you master this slide, then you are ready to you are ready to share Live Good. So learn muna, learn the business and share. If you don't learn the business, you have nothing to share. And kailangan mo i-learn the business because once the person or yung prospect mo would feel na hindi ka pa familiar, then most likely parang hindi ka sigurado sa sinasabi mo, right? So you have to learn the business and then share. Okay? Ayan. So again, dito, once you start the business, you have to be clear. You have to be prepared, my mental readiness. Of course, kung ikaw pa rin yung may fear and doubt, kung hindi ka naniniwala sa company na to, it is time for you to establish your belief. But for the first things first, you have to believe in yourself na kaya mong gawin ng Live Good. Because once na meron ka pang fear and doubt sa company, actually, magsasuffer yung decision making mo. Kung hindi firm ang decision making mo, magsasuffer yung plan mo sa Live Good. Hindi ka makakapag-set ng goal. Pag hindi ka nakapag-set ng goal, anong mangyayari? Mai-stuck ka, you won't take action. Pag hindi ka nag-take ng action, anong mangyayari? Wala kang magiging resulta. So anong mangyayari pag wala kang magiging resulta? Bibitaw ka sa Live Good. Okay? So, importante yan. Clarity, clarity. Believe in yourself, believe in the company, believe in the compensation plan of Live God because we are not hiding anything. Know your why. Dapat malalim yung why mo. Your why should be so deep that could make you cry. Kung mababaw ang dahilan mo, nakita ko kasi, ang laki pala ng income niya, 100,000. So, ako din. Mababaw naman dahilan yan. So you should really have to find your why, your compelling reason why you join Live Good. Para kanino ka gumigising bawat araw. Gusto ko makabayad ng utang para sa pamilya ko ito. It is legacy building time. But before you build your legacy, you should be healthy para ma-enjoy mo yung iiwan mong legacy. Right? Then set your goals. Dapat yung desire mo, laging excited. You should always be contagious. You take care of your energy. Energy lagi yan. Your energy should be contagious enough na nakakahawa. Once na naramdaman yan ng kausap mo, parang, ano to, ba't kaya ganito tong taong to? Napaka-energized niyang i-share ang Live Good. Why? Because you are confident. No? Pag hindi nila naramdaman yung energy mo, again, it would cause doubt doon sa kinakausap mo. So take care of your energy, take care of your burning desire. And yung commitment mo, it should also be deep. It should be whatever it takes. Hindi I will try, napaka mababaw na commitment yan. Wag, I will do my best, because your best may not be good enough. It should be whatever it takes. Gagawin ko ang live good, kahit na maraming rejections dyan, because rejections is just a part of the journey. Rejection is a part of the deal, no? Ang success, merong kakambalyan na failure, no? The good news is, dapat ang failure is your challenge, a challenge for you to grow. It should not be it's something that would stop you. No? Ganun nyo po tignan ang failure. Ganun nyo po tignan ang rejection. The good news about rejection is every time na nire-reject ka ng taong kausap mo, you get the opportunity na i-share ulit sa iba. That's how you do your mindset when it comes to rejection. No? Let rejections be your inspiration. Okay? And then, lastly, never listen to negative people. Ikaw ang nandito, ikaw ang ikaw ang nakarinig ng opportunity na to. Ikaw ang na-excite, ikaw ang nakaalam. So why listen to the person na wala dito? Iko-consult ko muna sa asawa ko. Iko-consult ko muna ang friend ko kasi pero andito ba siya? So never listen to negative people. And never listen to those people na hindi naman alam yung ganitong concept. Okay? Yan. So, again, ang roadmap to success natin dito sa Live Good is follow the GPS. Mantra natin yan, get in, plug in, stay in. No? Yan. So, get in, not today. Not tomorrow, today, di ba? Yan. So, yan. Ano pa? Plug in. Nabanggit ko na kung paano po tayo mag-plug in, hindi ba? Plug in the Zoom, plug in sa mga trainings, plug in to develop a skill, no? Yan. So, once you plug in, staying in will not be difficult. No? Staying in and paying your subscription. So, Live Good is not a convincing game. Bakit natin tayo i-convince sa 9.95 para maging healthy ka? So we are sharing the opportunity to be healthy, and of course the opportunity for you to change your life, to upgrade your life. Yun lang po dito, no? Hindi ho kami namimilit dito, but I hope you would realize na ito is like, you have to find out what is your reality ngayon. And then create possibilities. Kung ang reality mo ngayon ay eksakto lang, yung kinikita ko, pagkatanggap ko ng aking sweldo, dumadaan lang sa palad ko, then you create possibilities. You create possibilities sa Live Good para kumita ka ng 100,000. No? Yan. So, ano pa? If for example, okay ka na, then expand your realities. Okay na ako kumikita na ako ng ganito. Then expand your realities. Maybe natitake for granted mo ang health mo, right? So expand. It's either you create possibilities or you expand your realities. Di ba? Ayan. Again, so reminder din po, no, we're on our 25th na bukas. So, yan, yung system, mag-announce na yan, no? Mag-debit na. So, don't forget your subscription. Lalo na po ngayon, nasa second wave na po tayo. Please, there are a lot of things na mangyayari on the second wave. Be in front of the wave. Be proactive. Huwag ho tayong reactive. Ay, ganun pala yung nangyari. Sige, magti-take action na ako. No, dapat ngayon pa lang proactive na po kayo. Take action, get things done. Take action, and then wag muna kayong matulog until you win it. Meaning, wag niyong i-take yun literally, ha? Meaning, we really have to do massive action. Get serious with Live Good for the next 2 years, because this is legacy building time. Okay? Ayan, so thank you. Get back with the person that invited you and let them know that you are an A. Wag na lang yung B, wag na lang yung C. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for staying in. And I appreciate all your presence, and sana nabigyan ko po kayo ng liwanag or maybe a very productive discussion sa ating presentation. So this is your Coach Janet saying, see you at the top. Yan. Okay, so may I stop the recording?